Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about something super awesome that I got for Christmas and I tried and I loved and I thought you guys wanted to hear about it too. It is the Amika Polished Perfection Straightening Brush. I had to look it up because I forgot what it was called. Basically, it's a straightener, but it's a brush. So this puppy here gets all heated up. I'm gonna turn it on so we can actually see how it works, and it goes pretty high. Oh, holy smokes, it goes up to 450. So if you're like a super hot brush person, this is for you. I'm gonna put it on 390 and let that heat up and show you how it works today. So this guy, I'm gonna set it down. But how cute is this? This one was a special edition one. It says Je t'aime Brooklyn. I don't know why, if they're like a New York based company. Let me look at their description. Or what, but so it's super cute and I like it, and it's pink, which is great. So I'm gonna let that heat up. So my husband got it for me for Christmas and I tried it and I thought I was gonna be like, oh, whatever, it's fine. And I really loved it. So this is what my hair looks like, just air dried. It's got a lot of this like really bizarre natural just wavy texture, and then it's straight in the front and it's getting like long, so it's just, I was really getting to a point where I wanted to cut my hair really short because I am just tired of it, and it never ever in this back part here, no matter how hot or you know how cool I get a straightener, it doesn't, I mean it works, but then like a half hour later the waves are back, so I'm just gonna brush it really quick. Then I got this, or Mike got this for me, and I was super skeptical because and it works pretty great. So I'm just gonna do a quick run through and show you how I do it. This morning I just washed my hair and I put a little bit of like heat serum or whatever that stuff is called that makes your hair not want to cry. And we wait. Does it beep? Does it beep when it's hot? What does it say? I don't know. It fuses the power of a straightener with the ease of a hairbrush. The Amika Polished Perfection Straightening Brush instantly creates smooth hair in a single stroke. Effortlessly achieves sleek style with a brush's double ion generator, which delivers millions of ions for shiny, smooth results. And yes, Amika is from New York. They were founded by industry outsiders in giant capital letters in Williamsburg, Brooklyn in 2007. They are the antithesis of a typical beauty brand. Let's see. And I don't know why I said beauty brand so odd. All right, well this guy feels pretty hot, so let's give it a whirl. So it didn't come with great instructions. It just, you know, said turn it on and don't leave it on and don't let kids play with it. But I did use it once, and all I did was just like comb through my hair to give it the like, yeah right, what are you gonna do? You're not gonna work just really easily kind of test on it. And yes, it did. So I'm just a makeup video, so I've got stuff everywhere, so sorry for the clicking and banging as I knock over everything on my desk. Okay, so let us get started. I have it plugged in an odd spot. I usually do my hair in my bathroom. I am in my beauty room right now. Pardon me as I try to fix everything. Here we go. So the part I'm not worried, but like back here is like my problem areas. We'll see how it goes. So I am just going through it pretty like slowly. Look at that. That's crazy. That's just like one pass with the brush. This is the way I'm gonna do it. I'm not sure if it's the right way. I'm gonna go top and then I'm gonna go underneath. And then I'm gonna do just, you know, sorry, my phone started ringing. It was my aunt. And I'm going a little faster than I typically would. Using a flat iron. So the reason I'm doing it this way is because I'm trying to see if it's something that's faster. Like I don't want to have to section my hair. So I just kind of want to be able to truly brush through my hair with the whole brush. Pull it through. Do the same underneath. yeah, that's working pretty dang good. This is kind of the overlap area that hit between the two sections. I'm looking at the monitor. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I'm just gonna go through the rest the same way, put it on fast forward so you guys don't have to watch me comb my hair, is basically what I do. Actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna leave it in real time so you can see like how fast this actually is. Because I'm like, I can't even tell you like how frustrated I get with my hair because it takes forever. I have to section the whole thing and do it in like the 3 layers. And plus I've got like crazy, here's a hot tip. When you have a baby, your hair goes crazy. My son is 2 and I have these just like insane hairs right here. Like I try to blend them in, but like I have, and then I have, what is this? I've got like man sideburns from just here, you can see right here. These crazy little short hairs. It's from having a kid. That nobody tells you that stuff in birth class, that your hair is gonna look crazy for 3 years. All right. Get underneath. Now the back can be an issue, but here we go. Because I have really thick hair, but the bristles go all the way through and it doesn't pull. So I know I missed a spot. I can feel it here. Yeah, the back is like the weirdest part of my hair. So it's like it's not curly, so it doesn't look good. Like if it was a pretty curl and I could just like let it do its thing naturally, I'd be totally happy with that. It's not, it's just wavy. It's the dumbest hair. But gotta say, Amika, you know what up? And I see a spot over here that looks like I missed too. Yep, this little fucker right there. Pardon me. Well, I'm happy with it. So let's run a brush. I'll put a shine spray on later. So that was less than 10 minutes because I had to let it heat up and jabber. Actually, it's been 8 minutes and 34 seconds since I started this video. So less than 10 minutes and my dumb hair is straight and I think it looks great. So the Amika straightening, what was it? Something fancy, it had a fancy name. The Amika, I hope that's how you say it. It's A-M-I-K-A, Amika Polish Perfection Straightening Brush, and I know that they do have it in 2 sizes. So they've got this guy, which is like the big size, and then there's like a mini kind of travel size. I think they're like salon quality, so you can get them in salons. This one we did get on Amazon. I will link that, and then I will link the Amika main site too. Sephora, I believe, is the other major retailer that does have it. So I'll pop those links down below. If you like these, give it a thumbs up. If you like this video and want to see more like this, please subscribe. I love you guys and I want to see you more often. So thank you for watching. We will talk soon. Bye, bye, bye.